Let's imagine this. Two kids want the same red toy car. Both grab it, they argue, they shout, the toy breaks. Nobody wins. That's a conflict. But what if they talked, took turns, or found a solution together? That's conflict management and negotiation, a super important skill not just in school, but in the business world too. What is conflict management? Definition: conflict management is the practice of identifying and handling conflicts in a sensible, fair, and efficient way. Conflicts can happen between friends, between workers, or even between countries. But here's the thing: conflict isn't always bad. Sometimes it brings out better ideas, stronger teams, and new solutions, if managed well. Famous quote, "Peace is not the absence of conflict, it is the ability to handle conflict by peaceful means." Ronald Reagan. So conflict management is about staying calm and finding win-win solutions. What is negotiation? Definition: negotiation is a discussion between two or more people where everyone tries to reach an agreement. Let's go back to our toy car story. One kid says, "I'll play for 5 minutes, then you can." The other agrees. That's negotiation. Simple, fair, and peaceful. In business, negotiation helps people decide prices, make deals, solve disagreements, and keep everyone happy. Why it matters in business. Companies have teams, and where there are teams, there are different ideas and sometimes conflicts. Good managers know how to listen to both sides, stay neutral, find common ground. Let's say two marketing managers argue. One wants to spend on TikTok ads, the other wants posters in malls. Instead of fighting, they can negotiate and split the budget. Result? Creative teamwork and smart spending. Great businesses solve problems, not create them. Types of conflict management styles. Here are 5 styles people use to manage conflict. Avoiding. Walk away, not always helpful. Competing. I win, you lose, not ideal. Accommodating. You win, I lose, kind but unfair. Compromising. Let's meet halfway. Collaborating. Let's find the best solution together. The best one, collaborating. It helps everyone feel like a winner. In life and in business, conflict is unavoidable, but fights are not. Smart people talk, listen, and solve. So remember, manage conflict with calm, negotiate with respect, and always aim for win-win. Motivational quote: "In business as in life, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate." Chester L. Carra. Like this video if you've ever solved a conflict without yelling. Comment below with a time you negotiated with a friend or sibling. And don't forget to subscribe.